สวัสดีครับอาจารย์ผมชื่อสำอางดาสานามสกุลจอนผมจะพูดเกี่ยวกับ C โปรแกรมครับ C program This is the full display of factorial encoding C. Step 1 include header file. The line include the standard input-output library, which allow the program to use functions like printf and scanf for displaying output and reading input. Step 2 define main function. The main function is entry point of any C program. It returns an integer value, which is a common practice in discussing the success or failure of the program. Step 3 declare variable. Two integer variables are declared here. F is integer to one and will hold the factorial result. Num will store the number entering by the user. Step 4 proof user input. This line displays a message asking the user to input a number. Step 5 read user input. The scanf function reads an integer input from the user and store it in a variable num. Step 6 had negative input. This if statement checks if the user has entered a negative number. Since factorials are not defined for negative integers, the program prints an error message and returns 1 to indicate the error. Step 7 print calculation message. If the input value now negative and the program informs the user that is calculating the factorial on the given number. Step 8 loop to calculate factorial. The for loop iterates from 1 to num inclusive. In each iteration, the multiply calculation value of f by I eventually calculation the factorial. In print the correct number I, and if it's not the last number, print the multiplication sign H for the calculation. Step 9 print final result. After the loop complete, this list print the final result of the factorial calculation. Step 10 the return statement. The program returns 0 to indicate the successful completion. This is all the steps that we need. And in the end, this is the display of inputting number 5 as a factorial. As we can see, calculation the factorial of number 5 is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. And in the end, thank you for listening.